What is going on? Go.
Good evening, Maycomb. Today, Tom Robinson has been evicted from his home for chasing down a woman and raping her. He raped that woman! Next up, we have, Jerry reporting the news. Jerry's gonna do the weather.
Boy, it's hot out here. Probably because of the fact of the humidity from the storm that came through and blew over my friggin' trampoline. Do you see this?
Yeah, I see it.
Oh my God, it's awful. I don't even know how we're gonna get it down. Okay, guys, come back to me. We're gonna have to worry about how we're gonna get that down. But until then, we're going to have an interview with Tom Robinson's brother.
And hidden footage from his attempted escape. He got tortured. I quit. I'm done for today.
Get him on!
What did I do? What? All right, stop. Help! Huh? What? What? I didn't do this. I didn't do it.
Get him! We got you now, boy. You think you could escape us?
What did I do?
Nobody escapes. Get back here, Mark. Get back here. Get back here, Mark.
Get on! Get on! Daggum! We're gonna get him! We're gonna get him! We're gonna get him! Ah! We're gonna get him! He's right there! Pull over! Get in! What are you thinking?
Why is there a floating Trump hat? Oh, God.
Jerry. Hey, Jerry, buddy, you gotta say something.
Yeah, Jerry. Jerry! You know English, speak it! You know what, Jerry, you're fired.
Quite a predicament you got yourself in, huh?
Oh, no, sir.
That's what you get. Darn person. Escape from prison. What were you thinking, huh? You think you're just gonna get away for something for raping a girl, huh?
I didn't touch her.
Yes, you did! I saw you. You done did it. I know you did it. I witnessed it. First hand. Son. I'm done with you. I'm gonna leave you to May. Mason. May Mason.
What do you do?
Alright, boy. Give me a hand. Give me a hand.
You're getting what you deserve. Whoa!
Hey Peter.
What?
We gotta be going, man.
Dang. Dang.
Girl.
What is wrong with you?
I didn't do it.
Yes, you did. Court said so.
Shoot him.
Don't shoot.
Shoot him.
It's not working.
Please don't shoot me.
Shoot him. I was gonna invite somebody over to the house. She asked if he was black, and I was like, no.
Do you think that's good?
Yeah, that's perfect.
Cool. Alright.
Why is there a floating Trump hat? Oh,
Jerry. Hey, Jerry, buddy, you gotta say something.
Yeah, Jerry. Jerry!
I didn't kill your Lucy. No, you didn't. Alright, here. I'm done with that, like, for the rest of my life. Todd Robinson guy. Hey. Is it good? Okay,
Yeah.
wait, what's our news team called again?
Maycomb News 69.
Live from Maycomb News 29, it's Maycomb News, starring anchor Jerry. I'm not Jerry, but
I'm taking his
Right.
job.
Rare footage from the escape of Tom Robinson.
Moments before his death.
Moments before his death.
Gary Anderson, co-director of To Kill a Mockingbird parody.
I'm Caleb Schumann, co-director of To Kill a Mockingbird parody.
Coming up, Jerry, number 2, floating Trump hat Jerry's gender reveal.
And don't forget to check out our album.